If what I am is what's in me, then I'll stay strong, that's who.
Have you ever been confused about the main idea or theme?
Main idea, do you know the main idea? Main idea, do you know the main idea is? Do you know what the theme is?
Then this is the right course for you. In this course, there are really exciting activities and projects that you will get to do. You get to do discussion boards, live webinars, finding main ideas, writing a journal. In theme, you get to do another live webinar, create an awesome poster, and you get to post it, and then you get to discuss with your other classmates about their posters.
Do you know what the theme is?
You'll get to have a chance to get to know your classmates by responding to discussion boards and attending live webinars.
Main idea, do you know the main idea? Main idea, do you know?
You have come to the right place. You will have so much fun learning about the main idea and theme in this course. Just like my dog wearing the sombrero. Just make sure you turn everything in on time and you'll be good to go. Need help or have any questions? Just visit my instructor profile, scroll down, grab my email, and send me a message. I'm always here to help. Do your best and have fun.